Hello everyone, welcome to FOI.lk YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you on how to create an anonymous temporary email account and an anonymous permanent email account for free of charge. So if you go to Google and just Google temp mail, you can find lots of temporary email service providers. So why this anonymous temp mail? It's easily simply because email verifications when registering in various services become a huge headache, because it fill up our inbox, and to avoid junk and spam email fill in your personal inbox. So we'll go one by one. So this is tempmail.org. So you can get a temporary email address. So from here you can see big696444 at decorsburgs.com. This is the temporary email address that I got. So I can copy it and I can paste it wherever I want to register, and the email will come to this email box. So this is a very simple solution, and from here you can have a barcode for your email where you want to get your email account, the specific email account back, because these are temporary email accounts. When you close the browser, this will go and you can recover it. Now this is the second one. So here also you can have a inbox and line by line inbox, and you can change whatever the email address you have given, you can change it. This is somewhat advanced feature which I have shown you earlier, the thing which I have shown you earlier, where we can change our email address time to time. So this is a handy feature where some of the service providers tend to reject the email addresses of specific domain, so you can change the domain and have another email. So this is another one, another free email service provider, tempmail.com. so here also you can have your own inbox, and this also you can have a QR code to recover your email in future. Another email service, free temp email service, is emailondeck.com. so here also you have given a specific email address and you can refresh your email box, and all the emails that you will receive from here. And here also you have recovery email token where you can copy it down for future usage, and whenever you want this specific email box, then what you can do is you can go to email on deck and recover email, and you can paste your previous account's token here, and you have to verify that you are not a robot, and you can recover your email. Here you have got the same email address which you have used before. So now we'll go to emailfake.com. This is a very handy and useful temp email service provider where you have given an initial email account, and this domain name can be changed according to your need, because some of the service providers, when you are going to register, some domains are blocked in some service providers. So you can change the domain, and also you can customize the name of your email account. Say for example, I am using Andro, and I'll using the domain like this, tni.com. So this is a very handy temp email account, and it says the address is valid uptime 101 days. If you are in with this browser on for 101 days, then you can use this for 101 days. If you close the browser, the session will go. And also you can try out separate domains from using the generate button. Whenever you click the generate button, you will give separate set of domains. That means huge number of email accounts. Now this email mail.tm. So mail.tm is a very handy temporary email solution where you have given a user friendly interface, very user friendly, and you can change your language according to your requirement. And when you click here, your email address will be shown. Sorry, I have login in a separate email. I get a specific password for the email box that I am using now. So I can copy and paste this one in for future usage, and whenever I want to log into this specific email box, I can simply go to login. I can log out first, then I will be given another email box. So then I can log in. So this is the password of this current box. I can go to login and log into that previous account. So this now we'll go to Gorilla Mail. So I am sure that some of you have heard Gorilla Mail. Gorilla Mail is a complete email box where you can compose emails also. The ones we have discussed up to now, the email boxes had only receiving function. Now we can send also. So in Gorilla Mail we can customize the domain according to our wish, and we can send emails to whoever we want. So as a normal email account, we can I'll just test email case andrew@gmail.com. So I can specify subject, and I'll type the test body in the body, and I can choose a file to upload whatever I want, image, Word file, PDF, anything I can upload. So for example I'll upload something. Oh, never mind. So this acts as a normal email box, so I can send it. Simply as that. So Gorilla Mail is a complete email box which is temporary and anonymous. Now we'll move to tutanota.com, which is a anonymous permanent email box. Why anonymous permanent email? In most of the cases we'll need to register on sites which do not permit from temporary mail, as I mentioned earlier, and they also it's useful for digital footprinting purposes and also for penetration testing to maintain anonymity. So here in Tutanota Mail there are 3 options subscriptions. So I'm going to use free option. It's for 1 user and 1 GB storage. It uses only Tutanota domains only, and limited search, and 1 calendar option. So I'll select this, then I have to tick these 2 boxes. Okay, and now I can give a name as per my requirement. So I'll just type an email. So it's verifying whether email address is already available or not. I'll type Jacktos34. Email address is not available. I'll just type. So it says email address is available. So I'll set a password now. It requires a strong password with special characters and numbers. So I have given a strong password and I'll repeat the password here. Okay, now I have to tick these two boxes, all two boxes, otherwise it will not proceed me to go proceed. Here, please accept the terms and conditions. I have to tick both. Next. So it's creating the account. It will take some time. Okay, now I have given a recovery code here. That's because whenever I want to reset my password, this is the method. So I'll have to log in again after the registration into my email box. So I'll just type the password and log in. Okay, now I have entered to my email box. Here it's like normal Gmail or Yahoo account: inbox, drafts, sent items, archives, trash, spam. So I'll just try to send an email and to gmail.com. I'll type a test case. So sender, and I can give a subject, and this password for Andrew means this is the email will be compressed and encrypted. So this is the password that I am using to encrypt the email, and this password should be also with the receiver. So this is a secure email mechanism. We can say it's a high security embedded email service. So here I can format all the text and I can send it as a normal email. All the formattings are available like a normal Gmail or Yahoo. So I'll give a password here. We have to give a strong password. For this I'll just set OK. Your message is being encrypted and sent. Okay, now it has been sent, so it will be displayed in the sent box. So this is a very useful email function service where you can use as a subsidiary for Gmail or Yahoo to maintain anonymity, because Gmail or Yahoo directly wants a phone number to authenticate you. So also you have the contacts and calendar options available like Gmail, and spam, archives, trash, all are there. So this is a fully fledged email account which is anonymous. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.